Speed Exposure, back for another video, and today is part 2. It's going to be hydraulic fluid change and 2 filters here, so won't be too bad. Looks like it's another China filter that the company gave me, and here's the other hydraulic filter. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, first off, I'm going to show you where everything is located. The dipstick for the hydraulic fluid is right here, right above the rear PTO. Okay, and then the bolt, you go in front of this right side rear tire, and you go around. This one's a little bit tighter to get to, and it's right here. You gotta loosen this bolt up to empty the hydraulic fluid, and right above here is one of the hydraulic filters that you need. And I'll show you where the last filter is. It's on the other side. Okay, it's right beside this left rear tire right here. It's gonna be, might have to take the rear tire off. I'm not sure yet. I will let you know if it's as tight as that old filter that I put on. I'll probably have to take that rear tire off, but we'll see. Alright, let's pull the plug. Okay, before I pull the plug, I'm going to show you this toolkit that I have. It's a cobalt, and sometimes you can get this on sale for $100. I ended up getting this for Christmas one year, and it's got ratchets, wrenches, it's got the screwdriver set in the middle, and it's got the extensions, and then up top it's got the smaller, and then middle it's got the bigger sockets. Down below it has Allen wrenches and little wrench sets, which I've used a lot actually, and I've been using this thing for probably 8 years now, and it's all color coded. Okay, so like this bolt under there for the hydraulic fluid, it's bigger than a 1. That's the biggest one in the cobalt. And then I go over to my other toolbox, and I have one a little bit bigger, but it still didn't fit. It's a 1 1/8, and that still didn't fit it. So you're gonna have to buy a special socket just to get that off. But I'm gonna try to use a adjustable wrench. I've already hooked it on. I got a creeper here, and yeah, I hooked it on like that. I'm gonna get me a breaker bar to slip over this so I can try to turn it, make it easier. Let me see if my breaker bar will fit. Alright, if all fails, just grab your breaker bar off your floor jack. I got 2 of them huge ones. And then you stick it on there. This is going to be a little sketchy. Hopefully it pops it loose to where I can get this off. Aha! I got it. Nice. Well, let you know, if you put it on this, it just barely fits, it'll still pop it loose. Yeah, it sucks when you don't have the right tools. You just gotta make it work. But anyways, I know it's bigger than 1 1/8 inch, so just buy a bigger socket than that. All right, let's drain this oil out. Alright. Comes out pretty quick. I'm gonna open the top to let some air in. Yeah, that comes out really quick. So I'll put it back on. Well, it's about near 5 gallon. I got a 5-gallon bucket, so it's got a lot to drain. I just hope my oil pan has enough room for all that. Okay. But yeah, this bolt right here, it catches all the metal shreds that comes off of it. Let's see what it looks like. You can see some, but it ain't like it ain't chunky or nothing like that. You're looking for bigger pieces. Little fine pieces like that means it's wearing good. But yeah, I think we're good. Alright, as soon as I drain all this, we'll try that filter next. Okay, hopefully this car tool works. Helps take off filters. Well, let's see how this goes. That bracket's kind of in the way. Might be able to make it work. Man, they put these filters on good. Alright, so the car one does work for this filter. The oil filter is so small that I didn't have any tools for that one, so I had to use a screwdriver. It's in the video before this one if you want to see that one. Alright, should be able to twist my hand now. Wasn't bad at all. Here's what it looks like. So you can do all this with the tires on, but I'm a smaller person, so that's probably why I don't really care. But anyways, let's compare filters. All right. It doesn't have a name on this filter. Okay. The last filter is above that bolt. And my car changer actually fits on there. On this filter also. Alright, let's see how hard this one is. 1, 2, 3. Oh, whew. I busted my knuckle. What is that saying? So easy a caveman can do it. Sometimes I wonder. Yeah, that one's on there pretty good. You're gonna have to have a tool probably. Here's what that looks like. Alright, let's go compare filters on this one. Okay, here's the other filter. Here's the old and versus the new. No name on this one. And this is the same name brand as the bigger filter, C&H. Alrighty, I gotta clean this top off anyway. I accidentally spilt a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna stick this one on. And you can prime it if you want to, just stick you some hydraulic fluid down in there. And don't put too much in it. I'll probably put the small filter on, then the big filter, and then I'll put the bolt back in. And then we can start pouring this 5-gallon bucket in there. Okay, make sure you put stuff on your seal so it doesn't stick the next time you take it off, and we're good to go. I'm not going to put it too tight, but when you start it up and stuff, just make sure it's not leaking underneath afterwards. Alright, let's hit up the next one. Okay, already went ahead and lubed up the ring, and here we go. Man, this white filter is gonna shine. That's crazy, crazy white right there. My hands are a little slippery, but it'll work. Alright, can't turn it anymore. And as these filters get hot, they'll tighten up even more. That's what I've heard. Okay. Okay. Almost forgot one thing. You gotta double check, make sure you double check all this stuff. I put the 2 filters on, but I didn't put the bolt. Okay, let's go put the bolt on real quick. Okay, before putting your bolt back on, make sure you get all these metal shavings off so you can see if anything's bad for next time. Now we're doing the hydraulic fluid. Let me go find a funnel and see what I have. Okay, I cleaned my funnel off. Go ahead and stick it on here. This right here. Okay. Okay, you pull this up and it looks like you twist. Okay. And it's got another pull tab right here. Alright, well, it's so good. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna start this thing and work the PTO, and hopefully it doesn't blow up. No, I'm just kidding. Everything works good so far, and I'm gonna check the hydraulic fluid on the stick again.